Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I hope everybody had a wonderful 4th of July. Guess what? Today, I went to an impromptu food giveaway pantry, one of the mobile food pantries, and I want to show you what we got. Because what I got today is what's going to influence what I buy from the store. So I invite you to come shopping with me. Stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you what I got here, and then we're going to shop for the rest, okay? All right, we're going to start, as usual, from right to left. Oh, I couldn't believe it. We got some Jell-O pudding. Yeah. I'm going to give that to Jay. And speaking of Jay, guess who my cameraman is?
Y'all know it's me. I'm back. The usual goblin.
Oh, the goblin is right. All right.
Hey!
I'm just saying. All right. We got some wonderful cheeseburger, like a hamburger helper. But this is the,
The healthier one.
Yeah, well, supposedly. But I'm still
Not really.
I'm still gonna make my own. We also got some rotini. Look, Jay. We got some angel hair.
And spices. You just add chicken for a complete meal. And if you look, there's even a recipe. Look.
Well, we're not gonna follow that because it's not low sodium.
No, it's not.
We're gonna make our own. I'm gonna show you.
Just like using these pastas for macaroni and cheese.
And we got some rice.
Also, take a look. We even got a small pack of Cheerios.
Yes.
Also, we got 2, not 1, but 2 corn muffin mixes.
Now,
Look.
what we're gonna do with this is gonna be a surprise. Well, not quite. I'll show you all when we're going to the store.
Also,
we got
take a look.
corn muffin mix.
See?
Suddenly salad. Now, I'm going to show you what we do with that. That's going to be really cool. We also got some lasagna noodles. So guess what? Yes, I'm going to make a low-sodium lasagna.
Pretty cool, right, folks?
We got some spaghetti. Yes, Jay knows that. Look at, what is this, Jay?
Shell-type noodles.
Guess what we're going to do with that?
I don't know.
Alfredo. Oh, yeah.
I knew it was some type of pasta stuff, but specifically, I couldn't guess. Hold on, what was that?
It's going to be good. It's going to be very good.
We got another macaroni and cheese.
Yes, we do.
We also got Rice-A-Roni, the famous rice company.
Now, I'm going to show you something. Okay. Now, Rice-A-Roni is notorious for having a lot of salt.
But they are pretty good. Sorry to interrupt.
But I'm going to show you how to make it low sodium and make it good and still have that Rice-A-Roni taste, okay?
It'll be awesome, trust me.
Now.
Take a look. We got an entire, 5-ounce bag. Most of these only come in maybe, I don't know, 2 to 3 ounces. It's awesome.
Yeah, this is good. Look what they also gave us.
Tortillas, Orama. Small ones and big ones.
Guess what I'm going to do with these?
Tacos.
No. Takis. I'm going to show you how to make Takis that are good for you and still flavorful and hot.
I was thinking maybe tamales.
That's an idea too. Now, what's this here?
Brown rice. 2-pound bags of long grain brown rice. Also, you'll never believe what they gave us.
Yes.
Not 1, but 2 pound containers of strawberries. Yes. Imagine the strawberry possibilities you can make.
Yes.
Also,
look.
A little shout out to the little assortment guy.
Now, over here, we've got a whole salad, and I got this because it's in really good condition. Pull back a little bit so they can see. It's
Look,
in a really
it says
condition.
ready to eat.
Yes, and you know what? It's not wilted or nothing, so it's in good condition.
Also, just a quick shout out. Look at the toppings. There's meat, cheese, everything you could want.
And you want these, son?
Oh yeah, those are mine.
Yeah.
Here, just quick look at them. See?
Oh, we got
Also,
some ramen.
take a look. We got not 1, not 2, but 4 different ramens. Chicken, beef, pork, and shrimp. Ain't that awesome?
Yes.
Also,
now, we're not going to use those packs, right? Uncle Chris is going to show you how to do it, right?
Also, remember another famous YouTuber, Auntie Fee. Remember the recipes that she used for him?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Look what we got.
Look at this. That's awesome.
Give us a slow pan of that. A slow pan. We have cake mixes. I thought this was so cool that we got this many cake mixes. Oh, look at that. Marshmallows. Yep. Hot chocolate. Cookies. Oh, that's going to be so good.
Wild berry and muffin mix.
Grandma used to do this. Blueberries, yeah. Blueberry
Yeah, his
muffins.
very own mother used to do that.
Yes.
Anyways,
Look what we got.
First, we got 2 fresh tomatoes. Now, that's already awesome, but we got a stinking avocado. Now, that is what I call cool.
Avocados are nice. Now, look at this.
Also, salad-ready tomatoes in a can with a pop top. Also, we got tomato soup, macaroni and beef, cream of celery, sloppy Joe sauce, and sweet and tangy French-style dressing. Zoom it out a little, and there you go.
Very good.
Also, the 4 special ones. We have fettuccine and 3 things of angel hair. Imagine the French cuisine, all right?
French, no. Italian, yes. But I tell you what, now with everything we've got,
European cuisine.
yes, now with everything we've got, I want you guys to come shopping with me. And I'm going to show you how I take this and I extend the shopping monies, okay? So, this is going to make up all our meals. And I'll remind you what we got when we're shopping, all right? So, come with me next. We're going shopping.
That's right. So grab your carts, grab your sales. We're going shopping.
All right.